Terrific days. Yes, my people, cherry for days, man. Cherry outside. Yeah, man, cherry. I am a Jamaican who travel and work in Canada and the farm work program in British Columbia, Kelowna. It's not always been a perfect day. Every day is not perfect, but still we fight the fight and we overcome. Sometimes the sun is too hot, and next time the weather is too cold, but yet still we fight the fight and we just pray to God to carry us through. Yeah. So if you are new to the channel or you are new to this side of the content, I just want to say sit, relax and full enjoy the video, and hope you learn something from what I am about to teach. Yes, my people, God be with you forever. I say welcome back on the job. It's another day on the orchard, a day in the life. I'm there outside with my teammate. Well, me and him at work. Yeah, so in the on one side of the row, team leader that, my leader that over there. So we are putting the work, my people, and I want to say welcome back to the action. Yeah. All the time. Yeah, my people, welcome back to another episode of the Spear Fishing. We're there upon this cherry pruning. So, one of the main purpose of this, we are cut off a young shoots them so the sunlight can come in upon the fruit. Them need some air and sunlight so we don't get no disease and they ripe up quicker and faster, my people. So you don't know, one big up on the app. Check in, check out. Tell the people them, like, subscribe and share. Check in. Oh.
Yeah, go on. Two cherry, I get two sunlight tonight. So we do for the job, but yeah, sure.
Yeah, go on good, man.
Nah, let's give me like that neither. Man, you need to know how to do everything. When you come here, you go to the first two, then you look funny. That's all right, that's that. Virgin. Alright, tell me well, alright. So we do it, you know?
Boy, son, red that out here. People, red that out here, man. Not take boy. Not take boy if you out here, do. Some 10 and 12 out here. I read that, son, yeah, my people. Tough. Boy, you have to be strong. Yeah, man.
I eat good food too.
Yeah, man, you have to eat some good food, you know, and drink a lot of water. Else not. You drop off a leather out here, move a ground, man. Tough, me people. But we have fight the fight. Them say a black man with him. So, why? Yeah, them say slavery. What do you think, my people? What do you think about it? What do you think of slavery?
The gentle people. Eh? Yeah, if I work, I do and do the right thing. When I do it now, we're not going to make no money, you know, so we have to do the right thing to make some dollars in our pocket. From our yard. We can do what we can do. Yeah. So when farmers come from foreign, farmers have money in their pocket. This is what you have to do to make money if you have money in your pocket. Yeah. You need to be a star boy like in your community, you know? Man, I didn't think I would have to go through, man. If you not do it, you don't have no money in our pocket, yeah?
It's a pleasure, my people, to say welcome back to another day on the farm. So today, we are going to do some cherry picking with people, and you see, we're out early, 15 minutes to 5. Yeah, man, we are. So you know we have a 5 o'clock start this morning, so we just sit, relax, and I wait till the time coming, people, before we kick off the work. Yeah, man. Yes, my people, we out and stunting this morning in the cherry orchard, you know. Run. Morning no light out as yet.
Yeah, boy. That way if you go down.
Active.
Oh, up. Yeah? Boy. The most I now go. The most I now. Just live still, bro.
find it. Can't move fire up. So I can probably
Yes! Months and years coming me pay the money and each time I pay money for a tree. One cherry. Yeah. Take them off for a tree and my papes. Stamp on them, yeah. Better quality, better price. Yeah, because I don't know cherries at the peak. Right now the season, you know. Come down, cherry. Come on for this tree here, you know. No joke. Them some people, you know, we have to pick that cherry, send them in a factory for grade, and then we count with money. So it come down, you know. So we have to pick, you know, because you see cherry them tangle up with the leaf them. We have to pick leaf and everything, and then we just take out the leaf like this. Just take out the leaf them, dash out. Now have no time for just a pick cherry alone. Little leaf have to go with you, you know. You know, when you go to the factory now, leaf separate one side. Here go, lads. Okay, sir. Go, lads. Good. Why next row?
one jerky on the up.
What?
250,000.
Yeah. Let me sell it for 200,000. You can't do a poke for me house, man. I want to not steal like.
Okay, come on.
I want to not steal, boy.
Can't give me a say. You're fine. Let's just have a big screen and everything. I just saw my man in the race. See how you see me are fit in.
Just stop. Now, see how idea how much man come require?
I put me on camera in a height.
Camera in there, let's see.
There's a rat. cherry them and drop them. I take them and take them off, you know? Them and drop here.
Grab up the tree. Alright, complete.
Yeah! Last one for the day. Go on, guys. Yeah, man, basket been over full. Go on. Man, cherry. Cherry. It was a lovely day out in the orchard once more again picking cherry. Yes, my people. So we want to say, just continue to show your love and support and stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the post notification bell. Tomorrow is the next day. Yeah man, so we are head home now, my people. Go fresh up. So I go and skin dirty and them dirty. Go and go fresh up. Get something warm and get some rest for tomorrow. Peace out. Heading home, my people. Let's head to the bus. One by one. Big boat. Yeah man, so we are head home guys. Just make me way to the bus here now and going to Casa. Bless.